In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add draw.io diagram in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a draw.io diagram embedded on your Confluence page and published for your team to view. First, open the Confluence page where you want the diagram to appear. Make sure you're on the correct page and that you have permission to edit it. Next, click Edit at the top right to open the page editor. You'll see the editor toolbar and the page content ready for changes. Now click into the exact spot where you want the diagram to be placed. Type /draw.io. This slash command opens the insert menu so you can quickly add a draw.io diagram. From the menu that appears, select draw.io diagram. You'll see the draw.io dialog open, ready for you to add content. At this point, create or select a diagram. If you need a new diagram, choose a blank canvas or pick a template, then confirm to open it in the editor. If you already have a diagram you want to use, browse the list and select it. Take a moment to check that you've got the right file or template so you don't insert the wrong one. Once that's done, click Insert. Confluence will place the draw.io diagram in the editor at the position you selected. Give it a second to load if needed. You should now see a static preview of the diagram inside the page. Finally, click Publish to save your changes. This step makes the diagram visible to everyone who can view the page. If you're not ready to share it yet, you can cancel instead. But to complete this process and make the diagram live, you need to publish. Your draw.io diagram is now added to the Confluence page and visible after publishing. Everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.